Hello everyone, how you doing today? I'm here again with a new video. I'm going to show you guys in this video how to replace or upgrade your hard drive for your HP dv4 models. First thing first, you want to flip the laptop over, remove the battery by pulling the slider right here to the CD-ROM side and lift up the battery. Next, you want to remove the two screws or just loosen it up. You cannot remove the screws because they have a C-lock right at the back end. So you just have to loosen these two screws. Once you loosen up the screws, you're going to go ahead and lift up the cover. Next, you want to remove the three screws, 3 screws that holds the caddy and the hard drive in place. Alright, once you remove those, you want to slide the hard drive towards the CD-ROM, just like that. It's just going to go like a half a centimeter. Once that's there, on this end you're going to see a gap opening between the pins. Next, you want to lift up the hard drive. Next, you want to grab your new hard drive or SSD hard drive, whatever you want, and you have to swipe that. You cannot just plug in the new hard drive in there, because you do need the caddy which is holding the hard drive in place and preventing it from sliding back. Let's go ahead and remove the caddy. There's only 4 screws, 2 on each side, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you can just push the hard drive from the bottom side and it would just come out just like that. This is your caddy. And you can just grab the new hard drive, put it in there, and put the screws for the new one. For this purpose, I'm just going to keep using the same hard drive. So I'm going to put it back in there, put the screws for the same hard drive. Alright, once we have the screws for the caddy and the hard drive in place, you're going to put the caddy down with the hard drive right there. And you're gonna slide the back end a little bit inside the gap right there. There's a gap right where the metal sheet goes. So you stick it right there and then push the hard drive down towards the screen. Now once you have it in this position, you're just gonna push it from this end towards the connector. There we go. Next, you're gonna put the 3 screws to hold the caddy in place. Next, you want to grab the bottom cover, put the back end first, and then just hold it down right there, and then screw the 2 screws. And that's it. Now next, we're going to put it back in the battery. And this is how you change, upgrade, or replace your hard drive for your HP Pavilion dv4. If you guys have any question, ask me in the comments. I'll appreciate if you guys subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video.